In this video, we'll introduce you to a new feature in the Recipe Builder section, the AI RACC Check. This feature automatically suggests the recommended serving size for your product based on the FDA's reference amount customarily consumed RACC categories. To get started, first add your recipe and all your ingredients to your dashboard. Scroll down to the bottom of the Recipe Builder section. You'll find the AI RACC Check feature here. Use our AI to get your recommended category RACC. Our AI bot, R.I.A, will provide you with the recommended serving size according to the FDA category and its RACC. Click on the AI RACC Check button to see the recommended category and serving size for your recipe. Here, you'll find the tailored recommendation by R.I.A and can choose to replace your serving size with the recommendation provided. Now, your FDA RACC category has been selected and will be used in your nutrition facts label.